Dobro jutro, good morning. Idemo na malo putovanje, malo se provozati i krećemo. So we stopped after half an hour ride because someone is hungry again. It's more like a food trip, right?
It's a gastro-economical adventure.
So hopefully we will have a nice day today. Just to give you a quick overview, we're going to National Park Risnjak here in Croatia. Really nice nature, and we're going to walk all the way to the spring of the river Kupa. So it should be nice. Nice roads to ride, nature, and beautiful day. Okay, we just stopped for a little bit at the hiking hotel. Yeah, something like that. It looks wonderful. It looks like from the movie Harry Potter or something. Hogwarts. Yeah, especially in the winter time, it's like beautiful. This is Domagoj's happy face because we are going to walk 2 hours, right, Domagoj?
Great.
It says 15 minutes in that direction.
Shall not pass.
We are so bad in this English vlogging. We need to get used to it. Source of Kupa, and this is it.
one new inbox.
This is water from the spring, right?
Yeah.
It's like 5 degrees. Okay, Rico, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh God. Winner! Cold feet challenge. Domagoj was winner. We're going to do cold balls challenge. Just kidding, guys. We're done for today. Beautiful place to ride, so I'm going to make some video tomorrow. Stay tuned.